Yes, man.
This looks like something I would try in my adult days, but I am afraid my young boy flexible spine might be on its last. Yeah, just a little bit of elasticity left. So I'm gonna pass on the one here and save my elasticity for things that are a little bit more important. Believe it or not, these boys are actually practicing an age-old chiropractic tradition. Non-surgical spinal realignment. First thing, 200% I know that this is not Jamaica. It could never be, because once rain start fall at Jamaica, outside no exists. Especially when you are the age of these boys. Yeah, man. Outside no exists. If you're there outside already and then the rain catch you, rain start fall, hurry up and go. And if you're inside, don't even bother think to go outside. Mama, no! The slogan that is said by Jamaican parents whenever it begins to rain in Jamaica is go bathe and take up your book. Only way you go outside while it is raining in Jamaica is if your parents need something at the shop.
John, yeah, look on that bed, you see all umbrella. Come go shop for me.
Every time one of them drop down the step, me feel it in a family like a spine. So wanna go and live it up in a rain, yeah, youths. Enjoy yourself. We will live through you guys out here in Jamaica, because we can't do that, you know. We cannot do it without guava stick influenced repercussions. That is it. Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Yeah man, and definitely subscribe, you know. This is K2KShorts. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.